I love surprises and I love fabric, so I was super excited today to receive this Mrs. Quilty subscription box number 5. The subscription boxes always come with a helpful magazine full of fun ideas and tutorials. I can see there's also a free little gift in the box. We got to get this open here. It's kind of hard to open it with one hand while I'm filming with the other. We'll get it though. Here we go, some pretty little decorative scissors. Very fancy looking. They will definitely come in handy. They're very sharp and they come with that little case to slide them into. Miss Quilty reminds us, quilting scissors stay sharp longer when used only on fabric. So you might want to hide these away. Now for my favorite part, let's take a look at this stack of fat quarters. I can kind of tell already I'm going to like it because I love these colors. Teals and pinks are my favorites. I'm going to flip through them and show them all to you. These are so pretty. These flamingos are so adorable. And watermelon. And pink stars on white. And I would call this teal. So some more teal. I just love how everything goes together. These colors would all make the most adorable quilt. Look at that. Everything matches so perfectly. I love all these fabrics. It is 12 fat quarters, measuring roughly 21 inches by 18 inches. It's 100% cotton, and the fabric feels really good quality. I'll show you some of the cute little projects they have in the booklet here. There is a block of the month pattern, a baby blanket pattern with instructions, my favorite, a bunny crinkle toy pattern with instructions, and a baby bib pattern. Sometimes I follow instructions, sometimes I don't. But this fabric sure is not going to waste. It's definitely adorable. So if you're a seasoned quilter, you can use this fabric to make anything you choose. And if you're someone who's looking for a little help or just some fun new ideas, this booklet is really helpful. I've been wanting to make something bunny related, so I'm definitely going to make that bunny pattern. I know this is the favorite that I've received out of all my Miss Quilty boxes. It seems they just keep getting better and better. Miss Quilty says, when life gives you scraps, make a quilt. So it was great sharing these beautiful fabrics with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at my next unboxing. Take care.